How to add music to Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a music to your Facebook post. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are on the news feed, just tap on what's on your mind to create a new post. Now tap on photo/video to pick an image or video from your device gallery. Now choose the photo that you want to upload, and once it appears in your post preview, just tap on the edit button in the top right corner of the image, and on the editing screen look for the music note icon. It's at the top of the screen for photos and on the right side if you're editing a video. Now you'll see a list of suggested songs. You can either pick one from the list or use the search bar to find a specific track. Now depending on the song, you might also be able to add lyrics, adjust the clip length, and once you're happy with the music, just tap done in the bottom right corner, and on the new page, simply tap on the next button at the top right corner, and now when you're ready to share, just tap on post to share your photo or video with music to your friends or followers. And just like that, you have added music to your Facebook post. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.